How you doing? It's Khoa here. In this video, we're going to be covering Dan Kennedy's marketing triangle, how we can use this to actually create really great online campaigns that will actually produce a lot more profit in sales as well. So let's go. So let's cover Dan Kennedy's marketing triangle, and I came across this triangle many years ago, and I'm still using it today. It's very simple to learn and to remember as well. So let's have a look at it. So it's a triangle like this. Looks like a bit like the Illuminati right now, but anyway, that's another video right there. So we've got first of all, it's message. The next part is market. Now these three areas is what is most important. That not one is more important than the other. They're all interrelated. So what does this mean? So when you're creating your marketing campaign, you got to get the right message, right? So you got to write the right message to the right market. For example, let's say that you're selling dog training services, and your target market is people in their 50s. They're very busy in their career, but they don't have time to train their dog. So that's your target market. They're in their 50s, right? So what you have to do, you got to tailor that right message to that right market. So the message that you might have to write in your sales copy might be: are you 50 years old? Are you, are you very busy at your work? Do you want to train your dog but you just don't have time? You have to understand a lot about your target market here, okay? So you can get that right message to the right market. Next part is the media, because where are these people located? So these people who are age 50 and they're they're really busy and everything, you got to find out where they're hanging out. So are they on Facebook? Are they on Instagram? Newspapers, whatever it is, right? You got to come across these different sources, and you got to really find out what your target market is doing, because people in the 50s, are they using Facebook? Are they reading newspaper? Find out what it is. It might even just be newspaper, and find out what newspaper they're reading, right? So that you got to get the right message. So you're going to be writing that sales copy message. It could be an ad, it could be a long sales letter, it could be anything, right? But that message has to relate to these guys. Therefore, you have to really understand your market extremely well. Once you understand your market, write that message. Okay, so probably step one is just understand your market. Step two, write the compelling message that will talk to these guys, like that you really understand these market. You have to really understand this market. And number three, you need to deploy it in the right media. Once you've done that, then that's where the dollar signs happen. Okay, so this is Dan Kennedy's marketing triangle. You got to get the message matching to the right market using the right media. Get these three right, and you will win all the time. And so I've been using this for many years, and it never ceases to amaze me how powerful this simple analogy is. It's very simple, it's very powerful, but it is true, because if you don't have if you're selling to a market and you don't understand these guys and you're writing a message, it's just not going to work. These guys are going to read that message and they're just not going to respond. What if you deploy in the wrong media? What if you get the right message, talk to the right market, but it's the wrong media? They're not hanging out at that location. They're not hanging out on Facebook. They're not hanging out on Google, whatever it is, right? So you got to get the right media. You got to find out where they are. You can get one of these right, you get that one right, get that one right, but you get this one wrong, the whole thing's going to fail. If you get that one right, get that one right, get that one wrong, it's going to fail, right? So you got to get all of these ones right. Okay. So hope this video helps you. If you found it useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Really love to hear your comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of these tips and tricks on sales and marketing. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks a lot. Cheers.